Namaste, I'm Ranu Shah from Nepal Tourism Board, and Nepal Tourism is the national tourism organization of Nepal, which looks after the marketing of Nepal as a premier holiday destination in the international market. We have been doing promotion in the international markets since its inception, that is 1999. We bring in our private travel trade people like tour operators, hoteliers, airlines, and everyone in fairs like this, where they get to network and do their business with their counterparts, which eventually helps in tourism promotion of the country and at the same time the promotion of their business. Nepal is a beautiful country. We will not disappoint you. It's an amazing country full of nature, culture and adventure. So please do come and visit Nepal. I think Nepal is getting a good response from everyone. Our trade are doing brisk business, I guess, because they've been getting a lot of questions and they're giving information. So I'm hopeful about their business and at the same time a tourist arrival.
Hello everyone, my name is Preeti Vanige Pawar. I'm a tourism specialist with the Directorate of Tourism, Government of Maharashtra. So as you can see, we have participated. So Maharashtra Tourism has participated in the Asia's largest trade fair show, which is the OTM, which is happening in Mumbai. And we have with us our co-exhibitors, which is a mix of tour operators, travel agents, then tour guides, homestays, vacation rentals. Then there are a lot of agro-tourism units with us, caravan operator is there, adventure operator is there. So we have a mix of services and products that we have in Maharashtra. And we are participating here with 75 co-exhibitors. This is the day 2. So we are a facilitator. So what we do in the Directorate of Tourism is create policies, create incentive schemes, come up with niche tourism projects which actually help in building the infrastructure, capacity building of a destination. We brand that destination to promote it further, to sell packages. And then we have our tour operators, the travel agents who actually package those tours, create itineraries, create packages and sell it to the different state agents. So participating in an exhibition like this obviously is helping in the networking, B2B networking. And as you all know that OTM is, promotes only B2B marketing. So it has really helped us in the promoting Maharashtra destinations. Definitely one strong message is, all of you all do plan to visit Maharashtra. Do not only visit Mumbai, do not make that as a transit point. Instead, explore beyond Mumbai. There are a lot of beautiful beaches. We have 720 kilometers of sea coast. We have beautiful hill stations, very scenic landscapes in Maharashtra. We have 50 wildlife sanctuaries, out of which 6 are tiger reserves. So do visit. We have something for everyone.